Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jacob. Hi! So excited to see you all again.
Today we have a super fun and important topic, feelings.
That's right, feelings. We all have them. Happy, sad, excited, and learning how to talk about them in English is a huge step for your speaking skills.
Absolutely. Before we dive in, a little reminder. Share this video with your friends who are learning English, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the like button. We really appreciate it.
Yes, and leave a comment too. Let us know what feeling you're working on today.
Okay, Jacob, so why is it so important to talk about our feelings? Sometimes it can be tricky, right?
Oh, definitely, but it's so helpful. Sharing how you feel is good for your mental health, like letting a little bit of what's inside come out.
Exactly. Bottling up everything isn't healthy. And when we express ourselves, it helps other people understand us better.
True. If I say, I'm feeling happy today, you instantly understand me.
And it strengthens our relationships with friends, family, even colleagues.
Totally. If I say, I'm feeling a bit sad today, my friend can respond, Oh, I'm sorry, do you want to talk? It creates a connection, like a little bridge between people.
That's a beautiful way to put it. So talking about feelings is good for your mind, your relationships, and your communication.
Perfect summary. Now, let's go over some basic feelings words you hear all the time.
Let's start easy. The first one is happy. When you smile or laugh, you feel happy.
Right now, I feel happy talking with you, Sophia.
Me too, Jacob. Next, we have sad. That's when you might cry or feel down.
Like when it rains all day and ruins your plans. A little sad, right?
Exactly. Then there's angry. You might feel hot and want to shout.
Ugh, like when I miss the bus, that's definitely a little angry.
And tired, when you want to sleep or rest.
After a long day of recording videos, I sometimes feel tired.
Don't we all? Next is excited, when something fun is coming, like a holiday or a trip.
Yes, and scared, feeling afraid, maybe after a scary movie or a strange noise at night.
And finally, for this basic list, nervous, before a test or speaking in front of people.
I remember being nervous before our first video together, but now I feel happy. Practice really helps.
Absolutely. Now, a quick tip. The difference between I feel and I am.
Right. When we say, I feel happy, it's about our current mood. But I am happy works too. Both are correct.
So you can say, I feel tired, or I am tired. Don't worry too much about which. Just practice using both.
Great advice. Okay, now let's try some more specific feelings to describe emotions in detail.
I like this. First, frustrated, when something is hard and doesn't go your way.
Like trying to assemble furniture with confusing instructions. Super frustrating.
Exactly. Then overwhelmed, when you have too many things on your mind.
Oh yes, like too much homework or work.
Next is anxious, similar to nervous but a bit stronger, when you worry about something that hasn't happened yet.
Like before a big job interview. Your stomach might feel funny.
And proud, when you or someone you care about achieves something.
Yes, like finishing a big project or seeing a child learn something new.
Then we have lonely, feeling alone even if people are around.
It's normal to feel that sometimes.
Confident is next, when you believe in yourself and your abilities.
Like knowing the answer in class and feeling ready to raise your hand.
And finally for this section, disappointed, when something you hoped for doesn't happen.
Like if your favorite team loses the game.
Perfect examples.
We mentioned these quickly, but let's go a bit deeper with more examples so it's easier to remember.
Good idea. For frustrated, Think about assembling furniture again, or even waiting for a super slow computer. Both make you feel really frustrated.
Overwhelmed can be when deadlines pile up or when you have to do 10 things at once and don't know where to start.
And anxious, that's when you feel nervous about something that hasn't happened yet, like an exam or interview. Sometimes your hands get sweaty or your stomach feels tight.
With proud, it could be finishing a marathon, passing a test, or seeing your best friend succeed.
Lonely is when you feel alone inside. Even if people are physically near you, you just wish someone really understood you.
For confident, imagine walking into a room knowing exactly what to say. You feel strong and sure of yourself.
And disappointed, like when plans get canceled at the last minute, or the movie you waited for isn't as good as you hoped.
Nice! And remember, we can also show the strength of a feeling. A bit sad, very sad, completely devastated.
Yes, a bit equals little, very equals strong, completely devastated equals extremely strong.
Same with nervous, anxious. Words like a bit, very, really, completely, extremely make your English more colorful.
Now let's talk about how to show how strong a feeling is.
We can say a bit sad or completely devastated.
A bit sad means a little sad, like if your ice cream falls on the floor.
And completely devastated means very, very sad, like losing something extremely important to you.
You can also use a little nervous versus extremely anxious.
Words like a bit, little, very, really, completely, or extremely help show the intensity of your feelings.
They make your sentences much more colorful and expressive.
Exactly. Now, let's have some fun with English idioms about feelings. These are phrases that don't always make literal sense, but they are very common.
I love idioms. They make English sound natural and lively.
The first one is, I'm on cloud 9.
Cloud 9 means you are extremely happy, like floating in the sky.
Like, my vacation starts tomorrow. I'm on cloud 9.
Next, I'm feeling under the weather. This means you're a bit sick, not completely well. Maybe you have a cold.
I can't come to the party tonight. I'm feeling under the weather. It's a polite way to say you're not feeling well.
Then there's, he's walking on eggshells.
If someone is walking on eggshells, they're being very careful not to upset someone who is easily angered or sensitive.
Like fragile eggs, you don't want to break them.
And finally, for idioms, it broke my heart.
This means something made you very sad or deeply disappointed.
For example, when my cat ran away, it broke my heart.
Idioms are really fun, but they take practice to remember.
Yes, but using them in conversation will help them stick in your memory.
Great. Now let's practice asking others about their feelings.
Right. Asking shows you care. A simple one is, how are you?
But sometimes people just say, I'm fine. If you want more detail, ask, how are you really feeling?
That's good. It shows genuine interest.
Or if someone looks a bit sad, you can ask, do you want to talk about it?
It gives them a chance to share, but they don't have to if they don't want to.
Another one, is something on your mind?
It's a gentle way to ask if someone is thinking about something difficult or worrying.
After someone shares their feelings, we respond with empathy.
Yes, empathy means understanding and sharing another person's feelings.
For example, if someone says they're sad, you can say, that must be really hard.
Or, I understand how you feel. Even if you haven't been in the exact same situation, it shows understanding.
I'm here for you is another powerful one.
It means support. The person is not alone.
And a simple but important one, thanks for sharing that with me.
It shows appreciation and encourages them to share again in the future.
Now, let's imagine some real-life situations where we can use our feelings vocabulary.
Great idea. Let's say you had a really tough day at work. How would you describe your feelings?
I'm feeling tired and a bit frustrated today. The computer was slow, and I had too many meetings.
Or, I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed after all that work today.
Perfect. And how about describing excitement before a trip or a big event?
Easy! I'm so excited for my vacation next week. I can't wait.
Or I'm on cloud 9 about the concert tomorrow.
What if you want to express sadness after a breakup or disappointment?
That's harder, but it's important. You could say, I'm very sad about the breakup. It broke my heart.
Or, I'm really disappointed that the project didn't work out.
These examples show how you can use different words to match the situation.
Yes, it makes your English sound much more natural.
Remember, you can practice these in your head or even out loud.
Now, let's talk about feelings at work. Sometimes it's tricky to talk about stress professionally.
True, but it's also important for our well-being.
If you feel too much pressure, you can say, I'm feeling a bit burned out.
Burned out means extremely tired and stressed from too much work, like a candle that's burned all the way down.
And if you need a short break, you can say, I need a mental break.
A mental break means taking some time away from work or thinking, just to relax your mind.
It's very common to feel this way sometimes. These phrases are also polite and professional when talking to a manager or colleague.
Very useful.
Let's discuss how different cultures express emotions.
That's really interesting. In some cultures, people don't talk about their feelings much. They keep them to themselves.
Exactly. And in other cultures, it's normal, even expected, to share feelings openly.
English can feel a bit more direct or open when talking about feelings compared to some other languages.
In English-speaking cultures, expressing feelings clearly is often seen as a good thing. It shows honesty and builds trust.
So, learning English isn't just about words. It's also about understanding a bit of the culture.
That's right. Don't be shy to express yourself. It's a skill, just like learning grammar.
Okay, some final tips for improving your emotional vocabulary.
My first tip is to keep a feelings journal in English.
I love that. Every day, write down how you feel. For example, today I feel happy because, or today I feel a bit tired because.
It helps you practice using the words naturally.
My second tip is to practice describing your day using emotional language.
Instead of saying, my day was good, try, my day was a bit stressful at first, but then I felt very proud of my work.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Fantastic advice.
Remember, talking about your feelings is a journey, both in English and in life.
Be patient with yourself and celebrate small successes.
You're doing amazing just by practicing and paying attention to your emotions.
And using these words every day will make your English sound much more natural and confident.
Keep practicing, and soon talking about your feelings will feel completely normal in English.
That's right. Use these words, idioms, and phrases whenever you can, and notice how your confidence grows.
You've got this. Keep learning, keep practicing, and don't give up.
And remember, emotions are universal. Everyone experiences them. It's just about putting them into words.
Perfect. Using what you've learned today, you can talk about happiness, sadness, excitement, disappointment, and so many more feelings with ease.
Exactly. And by asking questions and showing empathy, you'll also connect better with others.
That's it for this section of the lesson. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. That's a wrap for today's lesson. We hope you now feel more confident talking about your emotions in English.
Absolutely. The key is to use these words and phrases in real-life situations as much as you can.
Try describing your day, sharing how you feel with a friend, or even keeping a feelings journal in English.
And if you found this lesson helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future lessons.
Hit the like button and share this video with friends who are learning English too.
Leave a comment below telling us your favorite new word or phrase from today's lesson.
We love reading your comments and seeing how you practice your English.
Thanks for learning with us. Keep practicing, and your confidence in English will keep growing.